For the past, I don't know, 3 years, I've been jumping around doing a ton of programming projects, but nothing ever really felt complete. That may in part be due to the fact that over 3/4 of a project end in failure, but that's beside the point. The point is, I've wanted for a while now a project I could share with the world. A project that would hopefully amount to something more than an exe sitting on my desktop, and instead an exe sitting on your desktop. Of the things I've created, one project of mine stood out to me. It was something I called RK4, and it was pretty simple. It was a C++ application that tried to simulate vehicle physics. What had started out as a box on 4 springs eventually turned into a complete level. I had built a track, placed assets around the map, and even programmed a questionable at best ghost to race against. I had a ton of fun with this level, and all I did was try to beat my own records. And I really wanted to make more levels, but because of the way I had initially coded it, making more levels meant that for each object, I had to manually specify the transforms in the codebase and then compile everything just to check if it was in the right place. Not a very efficient way to make levels, I know, but like me, it was never meant to amount to anything more. Fast forward to today, and now I want to build a game engine. The thing with game engines though is that you can get caught up on so many features that you probably don't need. To counter that, I want to embody 2 principles in my journey. The first is make games, not engines. Now, I know how contradicting that may sound, but the way I've interpreted it means to only make what's necessary for the creation of the game. For example, RK4 doesn't have animations, so I probably don't need animation stuff. And that leads on to my second principle, YAGNI. Short for, you aren't gonna need it, meaning a programmer should not add functionality until deemed necessary. Incorporating these principles should speed up development pretty damn quick. Yes, the downside is that performance may not be the best it can be, and projects may get a little messy at best, but do you know what the best feature of all is? It's being complete. So, if you're interested, stick around. I need friends, and if you have helpful suggestions or notice me shooting myself in the foot, because C++, then please let me know. And hopefully I'll catch you in the next development log.